Guys, I'm going to be giving this guy a volcano haircut and shaving stuff. So let's get right into the video. Okay guys, I'm finally done with his haircut. Maybe it looks a bit off, but that's alright.